Do you also get tired quickly during sex? Do you want to last longer, but your body doesn't support you? Friends, male weakness has become a common problem, but the solution is just as simple. In today's video, you'll learn about the 5 major causes of weakness and their guaranteed Ayurvedic solutions. Cause 1. Poor lifestyle. The biggest reason is an unhealthy daily routine. Staying up late, excessive screen time, and no physical activity. These habits reduce your energy levels and testosterone. Solution: walk or do yoga for at least 30 minutes daily. Also, make sure you get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. This alone will double your energy. Cause 2. Addiction to smoking or alcohol. Cigarettes, alcohol, and tobacco. They don't just harm your lungs, they destroy your masculinity. They weaken your blood flow and nervous system. Solution: stay away from them, and you can prevent 50% of your problems. Also, start Ayurvedic detox, like Triphala powder and Giloy. Cause 3. Lack of nutrition. Junk food, packaged snacks, and soda. These give your body empty calories, not strength. Your body needs protein, zinc, and iron, the real foundation of strength. Solution: include pulses, dry fruits, green vegetables, and milk in your diet. Also take Ayurvedic supplements like Shilajit and Safe Muesli. Cause 4. Stress and anxiety. Tension doesn't just affect your mind, it slows down your body's performance too. Stress leads to a drop in sex hormones and affects your stamina. Solution: practice daily pranayama and meditation. Also take herbs like ashwagandha. It's highly effective in relieving stress. Cause 5. Medical conditions. Diseases like thyroid, diabetes, and prostate issues can also cause weakness. Even their medications can sometimes reduce male potency. Solution: if you're facing such a condition, consult a doctor and start Ayurvedic support alongside, like horsefire tablets. So friends, if you want to increase your strength, stamina, and confidence, eliminate these 5 causes and connect with Ayurveda. Then see how your stamina improves. Friends, always consult a doctor before taking any medicine. If you liked the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Real Men Energy channel. Your one like gives us the energy to make more videos.